Welcome back. Today we're going to be baking shortbread biscuits with Demerara frosting on top. So let's get baking. So we have here 150 grams of unsalted butter, nice and soft. To this I'm going to mix in some icing sugar, cream this together, add some cornflour, sieve in some plain flour. There. Mix all this together. Once again, goes everywhere. Not too much. There you go, about a tablespoonful. That should help bind it all together then. So you end up with dough. Like that. Get a knife. I'm going to start slicing off our biscuits. Now we simply sprinkle with soft brown sugar or Demerara sugar. These crisp up in the oven.